Hello everybody, it's your boy Yasan here, back again with another video. So today I'm going to guide you on how to start connecting your account, setting it up here on LinkGenius. And as you can see, this is day 2 building in public. So here is our website. This is our landing page of our website. So you just click on get started right away. So getting started, if you don't have an account, of course you have to create an account, but if you already have an account, you just log into your account. So for me, I'm just going to log in with my existing account and then wait for you in the dashboard section. And yeah, as you can see right now, we are now on our dashboard page, and this is our beautiful dashboard page, so clean and very easy for you to get through or to go through and understand everything. So here in our dashboard page, I just made one post right now, like I published on some posts few hours ago. So as you can see, I have a total of one post. So here we have in the sidebar section, you have the generator, whereby you're going to, of course, generate your post or your content. And then we have the ideas and repurpose. This one is going to give you ideas on what to post on LinkedIn. And then here my post, if you have like some saved post, it is going to be here, or draft or schedule post, everything will be here. And then the calendar, this is where you're going to see like what is scheduled, like the specific date and all those, like what the calendar does. And if you want to also if you want to reschedule something, you can just reschedule it here also. So this is very easy for you to understand. And then the analytics page, whereby you're going to see the analytics of your of you posting on LinkGenius. Currently the engagement metric is not yet working. The engagement metric is not yet working because we are still getting the community API from LinkedIn. And then from here, this is the beautiful feature whereby it is a newsletter, and you're going to collect newsletter. You create a newsletter, and then you collect email list, and then you can send for them campaigns. As you can see, you can send campaigns from here, and then you can also manage your subscribers. So this is very easy for you to understand and easy for you to go through. Also, everything is so easy and smooth for you. And as you can see right now, I have like 4 subscribers here. So this is the current stage. Branding is where you're going to customize your landing page, basically, whereby the data which is going to appear in your newsletter page, so that people see about you. So as you can see, this is going to be your newsletter name, and then the bio of your newsletter. And then if you have any other social links, you can put them here. So this one is also going to appear in your landing page or link in bio. And then from here we have your products, where you're going to showcase some of your products in your LinkedIn bio page. And then here are your the sender details, where you're going to put your name, the email you want users to reply to, and then your physical address. So the subscription, like if you want people just to subscribe without confirming their emails, this is where you can also make the settings. And this is brand, whereby you can now like customize the color of your your landing page, basically. And here is your unique URL. You can only change it once. So that is the branding page. And then this is the email template. Basically, you choose a template how your email is going to show up in the clients or in your subscribers inbox. And then finally we have the landing page. The landing page is where you're going to pick a landing page. So let me show you just like different types of landing page. Right now mine is the minimal landing page. So if I click on this one, you can see the minimal landing page, how it looks. So this is the minimal landing page. And here, if I come here and then I select the ball, and then I say save. Then if I come here and then I just refresh here, you can see the layout of the structure change. So this is how you can customize like by your landing page. So you just come and pick from three. Currently we have like 3 landing pages, and you can of course choose from this 3, and in the future we're going to add more landing pages. So this is literally it, and we have the automation where you can see you can automate some workflows in your email subscription list, like a welcome the first sign up users, like a user who just subscribed to your list. You just send for them automation like a welcome message or something like that. So that's how it works. And then right now I'm just going to show you the very important thing right now. The context of this video is basically setting up your account. If you click here on your profile and then click on this account setup, the account setting here, you can be redirected to this page where you're going to see all these 5 tabs. And this is the most important thing right now to do, is to click on LinkedIn and then connect your LinkedIn account. So far as you can see, my account is already connected and it is saying disconnect here. But yeah, if you're still new, of course you need to connect your account. And secondly, it is now the brand persona, where you're going to provide a brand persona, like the biography, and then your sample writing, or like your past post. Basically, if you have some previous post, you provide all of them here. Let me say 3 or 5 samples posts, you just provide them here, and then the AI is going to understand how you write, and the AI is going to follow your voice. Basically, it is not just going to pick something randomly from the internet. And then from here, the same, like the biography, you need to put your biography in order for the AI to understand who you are. So this is the framework. In the last tab, we have the framework whereby you're going to provide a custom ways, like this is basically a set of instruction for the AI to follow what you want the AI to do. So far I have created like 3 frameworks. We have the announcement post, and then the story post, and then we have the tips post. So this is going to be like yours, like how you want the AI to follow your instruction. So this is basically where you train the AI to follow the instruction. So whenever you're going to now make post here on generator, if you click here, this is where you're going to pick what instruction you want the AI to follow, or the format you want the AI to follow. So you can see I have the announcement, story post, and then the tip post. Of course we have the default one here, but you have the ability to create yours also. So this is basically how you can move around and set up your account. So easy, and pretty easy for you just to get through and then start using LinkGenius. So I'm going to stop here, and then in the next video I'm going to show you how to start posting in LinkGenius here. Bye bye.